Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see sent friend request on Facebook, and here's how it's done. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or visit facebook.com if you are using a computer. Once you're in, head to your friends section. To do this, tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Here you'll find a friends shortcut. If you don't see it, scroll down and tap see more if needed. Now, tap on Friends, which will display your friends, friend suggestions, and incoming friend requests. However, to view the friend request you have sent, tap the three dots at the top right. From there, select View Sent Request. This will show you a list of all friend requests you have sent out. You can visit the profile of someone you have sent a request to or cancel the request if you prefer. It is that easy. And that is everything you need to know about how to see sent friend requests on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.